A warm and pleasant good morning to all my dear students of class 9th. Today I, Mrs. Sarita Sinha, welcome you online classes of Satyam Shiksha Sadan. Dear students, how are you? I think you are fine and safe at home. Take precautions regarding Omicrons. Be safety at home. Okay, today I will teach history chapter 2. Chapter 2, Socialism in Europe and Russia. Socialism in Europe already discussed in the class. Today I am going to teach you socialism in Russia. The main points of Russia. The age of social change means what is the age of social change? Comes the French Revolution opened up the French Revolution opened up the possibility of creating a dramatic change. Means French Revolution जब फ्रांसीसी क्रांति आई तो उसने एक संभावना लिया कि एक ड्रामेटिक एक बदलाव लाए किसमें, समाज में. ठीक है, इन द वे इन विच सोसाइटी वाज स्ट्रक्चर्ड. समाज को बदलना चाहते थे कि किस तरह समाज को बदला जाए. नॉट इवन इन यूरोप मीन्स नॉट ओनली इन यूरोप बट ऑल्सो इन वेयर, बट ऑल्सो इन रशिया. ओके, नॉट इवन इन यूरोप हाउएवर वांटेड ए कंप्लीट ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. मीन्स not even in Europe, they wanted a complete change in society in Russia. Some were conservatives, some of the peoples were conservatives, while others were liberals, and some of them were radicals. Okay. Now, industrial society and change means when in 1600 AD in England, industries revolution took place. Is not it? This was the time of economic and social change. Yes, when the industries opened in Russia means this time for economic activity. They earned some money to earn their livelihood. Is not it? So this was the time of economic and social change. Now industrializations brought both men, women and children also to factories. Means they work in factories to get some money for their livelihood. Work and children to factories. Work hours were often long. Means their working hours, the duration of working is very long. Okay, and wages means what? Means money were very poor. They take work more but gives some salary, some wages. Means what? Russians exploited the laborers. Laborers means who laborers? Men, women and children also. Is not it? Now unemployment was common factor. Unemployment, बेरोजगारी जो है एक बहुत बड़ी समस्या है. तो अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट वाज कॉमन. ये साधारण तौर पे ये आपको हर जगह अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट देखने को मिलता है. पर्टिकुलरली ड्यूरिंग टाइम्स ऑफ लो डिमांड, जब आपकी डिमांड कम होती है उस समय आपका जो अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट, जो रोजगार है, बेरोजगारी है, वो आपको काफ़ी देखने को मिलता है. ये कहाँ पे? फॉर इंडस्ट्रीज, इंडस्ट्रियल गुड्स के समय. मीन्स व्हेन द डिमांड इज लो देन नो नीड ऑफ लेबरर्स. Some laborers works in factories and they supply what? They supply commodity. Commodity means what? Goods. Housing and sanitation were also problems. Yes, means Russians means these conservatives, liberals, radicals means they having problems in housing and sanitations. These were the main problems since towns were going rapidly. Means towns were going very fastly, urbanized. Liberals and radicals searched for solutions to these issues. Yes, they searched for housing and sanitations. They demand what? Housing and sanitations. Housing and sanitations. Now liberals, radicals and conservatives. These three, but today I am going to discuss only liberals. One of the groups which look to change society were the liberals. One of the groups, there are three groups, liberals, radicals and conservatives. But among them, one is liberal also, to look how to change the society. These were the main mottos. Liberals wanted a nation, उन्हें राष्ट्र की जरूरत थी, and they treat all the religions equally, means they never discriminate any religions, they never differentiate any religions, all religions are equal. Liberals also oppose the uncontrolled power of dynastic rulers. Liberals also oppose, means against the डायनेस्टिक रूलर्स. यस, आप सभी जानते हो कि राजा का बेटा ही गद्दी पर बैठता है, कोई और नहीं बैठता, क्योंकि जब उसका डायनेस्टिक मीन्स व्हाट, वंशज, पीढ़ी दर पीढ़ी उनका ही खानदान उस पर बैठते जाता है. तो इसके अपोज में कौन था? लिबरल्स. लिबरल्स वेयर अपोज, लिबरल्स ऑल्सो अपोज द डायनेस्टिक रूलर्स. दे डोंट वांट टू पुट डायनेस्टिक्स रूलर्स. ओके, नेक्स्ट, they wanted to safeguard the rights of individuals. Yes, they wanted to safeguard the rights. प्रत्येक इंसान को, सभी को अपना अपना अधिकार चाहिए. उनको चाहते थे कि वो सुरक्षित उनका अधिकार रहे अगेंस्ट गवर्नमेंट, गवर्नमेंट भी उनका अधिकार को छीन ना पाए. ठीक है. They argued for a representative. वो किसके लिए तर्क वितर्क कर रहे थे? आर्गुमेंट किसके लिए कर रहे थे? रिप्रेजेंटेटिव के लिए. ठीक है. इलेक्टेड पार्लियामेंट्री गवर्नमेंट मीन्स यहाँ पे रिप्रेजेंटेटिव क्या है? डेमोक्रेसी है. रिप्रेजेंटेटिव यहाँ पे क्या है? डेमोक्रेसी है. तो व्हाट इज डेमोक्रेसी? तो डेमोक्रेसी इज ए फॉर्म ऑफ गवर्नमेंट विच इज रन बाय द पीपल, ऑफ द पीपल एंड फॉर द पीपल, अकॉर्डिंग टू अब्राहम लिंकन. इज नॉट इट? तो here they argued for a representative elected parliamentary government subject to laws interpreted by a well-trained judiciary. Yes, there are three bodies: executive, judiciary and legislature. Is not it? Three law-making bodies. So one of them is judiciary. Is also that was independent of rulers, independent. Yes, independent of rulers and officials. That was fully independent of rulers who ruled the country, who ruled the state, who ruled the regions and officials also. Next, they were not Democrats. Yes, they were not Democrats. Means who? Liberals. Liberals जो थे वो Democrats नहीं थे. They did not believe in the universal adult franchise. यहाँ पे universal adult franchise क्या है? Right to vote. सभी को वोट देने का अधिकार होना चाहिए. तो they did not believe, उन्हें विश्वास नहीं था इसमें universal adult franchise में. ठीक है. They felt men of property mainly should वो क्या चाहते थे कि प्रॉपर्टी, संपत्ति जो हो, उनका संपत्ति का जो हकदार कौन हो? अकॉर्डिंग टू मेन होना चाहिए. ठीक है. हैव द वोट, किसके द्वारा? बाय कास्टिंग वोट. वोट के द्वारा जितना सारा जो प्रॉपर्टी है उनका, वो उसका हकदार कौन होना चाहिए? मेन होना चाहिए. उसमें महिलाओं को हक नहीं मिलना चाहिए. दे ऑल्सो डिड नॉट वांट वोट फॉर वुमेन. वो महिलाओं को वोट देने के लिए नहीं चाहते, वोट उन्हें ना मिले, महिलाओं को वोट ना मिले, वो उनकी मांग थी कि दे ऑल्सो डिड नॉट वांट वोट फॉर वुमेन. वुमेन को वोट ना मिले. That's all for today. In next video, I will discuss about the conservatives and radicals. That's all. Be safe at home. That's all for today. Have a nice day.